So if you're running the Elite Manifold with this turbo kit, you have about 2 millimeters of clearance here. So I guess the good news is that I don't have to shave off any of this, but that is kind of interesting how little room you have for error here. As I mentioned before, this has an integrated blow-off valve, and there's several options that you have when you go with a turbo like this. You can either use the OEM blow-off valve. Turbo Smart makes an upgraded one that isn't plastic like this, and then the third option is to block it off and use some kind of external blow-off valve. That's actually what I'm going to do. So I got this block-off plug, which is made by Turbo Smart. I think I got this from Jegs, and so we'll pull this out, block this off, and then I'm actually going to be welding in an HKS blow-off valve onto the intercooler piping later on. using this nickel anti-seize on all of the exhaust studs. This will just make it a little bit easier to pull it off when I need to later on down the road. Okay, so this is basically the whole Turblown kit installed except for the oil drain line. Gotta say, this is a super tight fit between the compressor housing and the intake. There's basically about 2 millimeters. The turbo itself, the heat shielding here is actually touching, so there's no clearance there. Apart from that, the heat shielding fits good. Got the downpipe mocked up, so everything seems to be fitting okay. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there for tonight.